Want to be able to scroll on TikTok without having to touch your screen? This trick is for you. And in this video, I'll show you how to scroll on TikTok hands-free on your iPhone. Now let's get started. To begin, open your iPhone settings. Then select Accessibility. Tap Voice Control. Then tap Set up Voice Control. Tap Continue. Then tap Done. Now tap Customize Commands. Tap Create New Command. Type in what you'd like your speakable phrase to be. I'm setting mine as next, but you can put whatever you'd like to say to run this command. Tap Action. Select Run Custom Gesture. Then draw a line from bottom to top as if you were swiping to the next video on TikTok. Tap Save in the top right corner. Go back to your command. Tap Application. In your list of apps, select TikTok. Then tap Save. Repeat these steps to set up another command to swipe back to the last video you watched. I'm setting the speakable command for this one as back. When creating your custom gesture, swipe downwards from the top as if you're swiping back to the last video. Save your gesture. Select TikTok as the application you want to use this with, then save your custom command. Once you've set this up, you can go to the TikTok app and test out your commands. Simply say your speakable commands out loud to use the gestures you've set up. If I say next, it will swipe to the next video. If I say back, it will swipe back to the last video. That's all it takes to set up hands-free scrolling for TikTok on iPhone. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.